Monopoly Empire card game, how to play. The object of the game is to get the highest score after 5 rounds by making sets of 9 matching cards. Give each player a reference card. Separate the cards into matching colored sets. Take one colored set per player playing and shuffle them together, along with the Go to Jail and Empire cards. Return any leftover cards to the box. Deal the deck out to all the players. Some players will have more cards than others. Players look at their own cards but keep them hidden from others. When everyone is ready, the dealer says go and play begins. There are no turns. All play happens simultaneously. You are allowed to trade 1, 2, 3, or 4 cards from your hand for an equal number of cards from another player. You are not allowed to mention the color of your cards, only the quantity of cards willing to trade. All cards traded must be the same color unless you trade an Empire or Go to Jail card. Once you find another player who is willing to trade the same number of cards, trade cards face down with each other. If no one wants to trade with you, then continue with another trade. You can trade as many times as you want, and you can change what you are trading for if no one is interested in it. The first player to collect 9 matching colored property cards shouts Empire, and the round ends and all trading stops. That player then collects points based on the value of the colored set they collected, which is recorded on a paper. The Empire card can be used as a wild in place of any other card if you want. If you have an Empire card and 9 matching colored cards, then you score double the points you otherwise would have. If you have the Empire card but didn't go out, then you lose 20 points. If you end the round with a Go to Jail card, then you lose 20 points. The player with the most points after 5 rounds wins.